scary. It's gross. Ew. Gross. Ew. Stop spitting. Well, let her just making ugly faces. Come on now. All right. What kind of animals?
Lions, tigers, elephants.
Do you know Sunny does that? Sunny, when he hears an ambulance go by, he goes. "Woo!"
Okay. You want it? You want it?
Press that, okay?
Okay.
The one where you have the big nose.
The big nose.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
that one.
Okay.
I want to do my first.
Okay. You do yours.
I have
Confidence the world can all be mine. We have to agree on confidence in me. I have confidence in sunshine. I have confidence in rain. I have confidence
Did you
in
see
spring
that?
and
Yeah.
besides which you see, I have confidence in me.
What?
What?
We look okay, but.
We look okay.
Ma, I'm over there, and I'm over there, and I'm up there. Does that look scary?
It looks weird. It looks really weird. Look at you with the giant forehead.
That's Daddy, you have to see this.
You would love it, would he?
Yes.
And want to see cats slapping dogs?
No, I don't want that.
That's funny.